Welcome to Land Administration S'mores, where complex land issues meet campfire clarity. My name is Jack McKenna, geospatial consultant and land administration subject matter expert. Our topic of discussion: are Chinese DJI drones in US military use? Is this a national security concern? Are we handing sensitive data to China? What happened? This needs to be confirmed. DJI drones have been reported by some sources as being used by the US Department of Defense, DoD. DJI is a Chinese company with potential links to US government data collection. This raises serious questions about US data security and sovereignty. Data security and surveillance. The Chinese drones have been flagged for data security and surveillance concerns, particularly the potential for sensitive imagery and data to be transmitted to servers in China. Why this is a problem? DJI operates under Chinese law requiring cooperation by all Chinese companies with the Chinese intelligence services. US military DJI drone data may be accessible to foreign entities. This could expose US operations and infrastructure vulnerabilities. Other Chinese data pipelines. TikTok already raises national security concerns. DJI plus TikTok equals multi-layered surveillance potential. Data leaks may occur even without physical presence. For example, the so-called weather balloons as in the past. Is the DoD aware? This needs to be confirmed. 2020 NDAA bans military procurement of DJI drones. Warnings from FBI and DHS exist. Yet, DJI drone usage by DoD possibly continues due to legal loopholes or lack of enforcement. A call to action. There must be an immediate review of drone procurement and usage. Replace DJI drones with US-made alternatives. Raise awareness. Contact policymakers and defense officials. Closing message. This is not paranoia. It's possible policy negligence. National security must not be compromised by convenience. Stay informed. Share this message and take action. If a complete review of the Chinese modus operandi regarding drone infiltration into the US reveals that they are as pure as the driven snow and not a risk to US security, that will be fantastic. Additional comprehensive land administration information is available in the Jack McKenna book, A Land Administration Toolkit, available on Amazon. I can be contacted at jack_McKenna@landdataplus.com. Thank you for your time and attention.